There's the solar panels up over there. That runs the pump down here in the ground. This goes underneath here, up into this holding tank. That is empty. So it should be running right now. Close off the tank. We're gonna open this up. That should be shooting water at least 6 feet over there. It's only making that much water. And I can cap it with my hand. Tells me there's a leak down in the pipe or one of the fittings all the way in the bottom. Then grab it with the crane, lift it up as high as it'll go, pull it over this hood, start driving that way, pump comes up. And we see where we have our leak. You hang on to this. Wait a minute. That's right. Damn it. Let's edit that out.
No.
Okay. Gotta be shorter. No, hold on. 3/4 gun, screwdriver, pipe wrench. You gotta determ your electric. Yep. Phillips. Shut the power off. We must not be filling. I hear it running, but it's not doing anything. Sadly, this is all I mess with anymore. At work all damn day. Yeah. Fun and fucking unions. Oh yeah, you should be all this way. Music. I can't see down in the pipe, so yell if I get it hung on something. I'll wash it right now. If you look up, it looks impressive now. Yeah. So this yellow is just like a safety rope for holding the pump in the event it lets loose. That's your power going down to it, and that's your main supply line. And what he's going to do is to keep the aggressive bend out of it. Got a Jeep hood with a nice curve on it. He's gonna leave that mast straight up. He's gonna drive. Clear down this lane. About 310 feet. The one person that gets stuck here gets stuck moving so damn fast. Real slow. I got it. Yep, so that is loose. It's a stainless clamp. Has to be stainless with our hard water, but the screw is not stainless. So it completely got ate away by our hard water here in Arizona. So now we look for more problems. Mom making sure that nobody runs over our hosing. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah.
We got to test and find out where the leak's coming from. Okay. He conveniently has a pool that needs to be pumped. I'm going to turn it on, you watch that. So the line comes all the way back around, and we brought the tail of it over here to where you can connect back to power, and we're going to run it. Yeah. Heating up. I think it's fully submerged, right? Yeah. I think we just hear it so good because it's usually 300 feet in the ground. Well, the well is pumping good out of the pool. We're suspecting that maybe this well needs to be dropped a little deeper. We got room to do it. I believe he said, I thought it was 300, but I think the hole is 300 and it's 140 feet that's in there, so we're going to go lower. 209. 209. Think it's in the water? No, you're not slacking out, are you? What does the weight on the string feel like? You're out of string? There. Okay. Right there is where the water is. Right where that knot is. Yeah, just enough string. So now we're going to pull that out and measure it. We might need to bring tape measure now. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Yeah, Mom's got a did you want to see this? Several 100-foot tape measure. We're going to measure this line. It's got some tightness to it. So see, you can pull it up and it gets tight, right? See how you see the knot jump? You can feel it. Did you want to feel it?
No, I can see it. Go
ahead. Yep, I'm getting more wire than anything. So this is the well going back in. Oh, hold on. We got to address this now. Mike, go ahead and stop. No. We're going to have to... Oh, that was to pull it out. You're going to have to... I got to find a way to jam this up. You got to deal with that because this wire is trying to go in. Okay. What do you need me to do? Strap off? Where's the tape? Oh, crap. This is all I got left in the world, Mike. Do with it what you can. See that ball of wire? Get it on the top. It has to be up toward the top by where Richard's hands are. You see where it is? Yeah.
I took the strap off.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. Away we go.
Let me help him over there.
Maybe. All right. Coming to you, Noel. It's out of my reach. Got it. So now we got to make sure this doesn't get bound up. Let me see the slack. You know what? That'll be okay. Let me just throw that down in there. All right, go ahead and let her down. And then, I got to turn it the other way. Okay. And here we go.
That's it.
Oh, crap. Should have seen that one coming. Oh, you want to get the pipe wrenches on that, by the way? I'm probably this. Two will be fine. Well, no. I have to twist the wrong way. Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. Two will hold it. All it does is swell a piece of rubber in there. YouTube. Oh, yeah, no, you're fine. I need to fix this wire. This is my battery backup. If I ever want to run batteries, see this red and this black wire here? Mm-hmm. I just snap those in and I can run it. There's supposed to be 4 batteries in this